Hello everyone. Today I am presenting about digital transformation in contact management to avoid repetitive efforts using Salesforce. Hosted by Navakara Consulting. Speaker of webinar is myself, Chandana Gupta, Associate Consultant at Navakara. I am very much passionate about working on Salesforce ecosystem. It's the company's confidentiality. About Navakara. Navakara is a leading global consulting company that is specialized in digital transformation. We serve clients across spectrum of industries, including healthcare, public sector, federal, and commercial. Today, agenda is about type of flows, business use case, before record created, after record created. Type of flows. There are 5 different types of flows that are available in Salesforce. Screen flows that have a UI element and require user interaction because it input from users. These type of flows are either launched as an action steps, choices, or dynamic choices. Schedule trigger flow. Schedule trigger flow runs automatically in the background at a specified time and frequency for each record in a batch. It does not need user interaction. Auto launch flow with no trigger. Auto launch flows doesn't need any user interaction. Auto launch flows launches when invoked by process builder, custom Apex classics, REST API, web apps, custom buttons or custom links, and Visual Force pages. This auto launch flows runs in the background. Record trigger flow. Record trigger flow launches when the record is created or updated or deleted. This record trigger flows runs in the background. Platform event trigger flows. When a platform event message is received, the platform event trigger flows runs in the background. Business use case. Scenario. ABC Enterprises sales users have concern that when they create the contact records information have to be imported from account to eliminate the manual repetitive efforts. Solution. In Salesforce, with record trigger flow, I can implement the solution using before record created. What is record trigger flow before record created? The flow can access any record and perform actions before record created that launch the flow. This is the flow I have created. So let's go to the demo part. Let's go to the Salesforce org. Here in quick find, enter flows and open the flows. Here I created the before record created flow. In this case, you have to select a record is created when the before is record is saved and click done. Here we have to select object as contact. We have to take the decision element and drag it from here. It allows the decision element, it allows you to split your flow depending on a data that's being sent through it. It's nothing but if condition. Here I selected it's eliminating the null records. Let's go to the get records. Here, selecting object as an account and passing the ID to select one record from the account. Assignment. Here, you can assign values to a variable. You can assign values to the record fields, and also you can assign add, remove records in the record collection variable. Once the record is selected, we are taking the mobile number and assigning it it and inserting record and click done. Here, this is the flow is created. Now we have to save the flow and activate it. Save the flow before save on contact and click save and activate it. After done activating, we have to test it. We have to create the new contact. In account name, let's select as Burlington Textiles Corp of America and click save. Now the contact is created. Let's see the account in Burlington Textiles Corp of America. See the phone number as 336 222 7000 and in the created record, the same phone number appears here. From this exercise, what we learn is we are not providing phone number, but we did set up in the flow itself. So it takes care of getting the details. Next, let's go to the second scenario. ABC Enterprises sales users have concern that when they create the account records, which should create opportunity records automatically to eliminate the manual intervention. Solution. In Salesforce, with record trigger flow, I can implement the solution using after record created. What is record trigger flow and after record created? The flow can access any record and perform actions after record created that launch the flow. Here the flow I created. Let's go to the demo part. Again, let's go to the Salesforce org and we should create after record created. Here that I created, let's go to the edit here. Here in this case, we have to select a record is created and after the record is saved and click done. An object here, let's take an object as account. Let's create the record. Let's create a record, drag from here to here. Here we are assigning the values to the fields. Here one record to here, how many records to create, we have to select one and have to select use separate resources and literal values. Here the object is opportunity. I created some values to fields. Click done. And save. Created the flow. Now save it. Save the flow and after activate the flow. After activating the flow, we have to test it. Here, let's go to the account and we create the account record here. And click save. and click Save. Here we have to select the required field. Let's select as the first, and now we have to save it. Now the record is saved. The new account is created, and also the new opportunity also created. Yeah, the new opportunity also created. From this exercise, what we learn is we are inserting data to account, and opportunity gets created automatically. So we are eliminating manual process for the opportunity. And if you have any questions, please send them to info@naukara.com. Thank you.